At Nature Domes, we're all about relaxing, recharging, and reconnecting, and that's what this place is all about.
I'm a person that traveled over 40 countries and I love traveling. I've never seen something like Nature Domes. I had an amazing weekend with my partner and I would recommend this place to anyone that wants to have a super romantic weekend with lots of things to do and a lot of private space.
Nature Domes is not only perfect for couples, but perfect for group trips and that ultimate girls trip away. It has everything right on the property for you to experience, right from the animals to the waterfall, walking down the stream, and the beautiful greenhouse where you can enjoy a meal and a glass of wine with your girls. So cute. Hi. Oh, that's my finger. Cute. You are. Baby. Come on, baby. You can take it. Go on, take it. Makes it nice. Chilla, mother. She's called Chilla. It's okay. I take good care of her. Nature Domes is a unique experience because of the facilities available to cook the food on the premises. Now, being a chef, I love to cook. Having these facilities readily available for you or your friends or your partner is just an absolute icing on the cake for the treat.
Which is a personalised service that we do for guests that are interested in having event styled. One of the things that we enjoy is catering to everyone's requirements and needs. And join us on a beautiful display of what we've created as a little bit of a cocktail tiki sort of style opportunity for people to enjoy, laugh and have fun and relax.